Your Majesty.
Answer to that, my prince.
Right.
This what's happened in the past 48 hours. Information coming out of social media. Yes, I did lose a very close friend of mine. He was my brother. He was family to me. Obviously, when I got the news, I was very upset. There was a lot of discomfort, which I felt, in a situation like this, I need to be somewhere else, secluded. And it just came at a time where I was scheduled to do my medical checkups anyway, which I do from time to time. And I just said, okay, I will go ahead and do my medical checkups in Swaziland and see the majesties and take some time out from all the tension and the events that are happening at home, because obviously there's preparations for the funeral and all of that, and yes, I'm deeply involved in it, but I wouldn't like to be there physically. So that is why the move was to Swaziland. It's not because maybe I have been poisoned, which it's not. I'm not poisoned. I am well. I feel 100%. I'm happy. Everything is well functioning. There's nothing wrong with me. There's no poison whatsoever. So please, people, mostly to the Zulu people, the Zulu royal family also, to just remind everyone that please don't listen to everything that people say. It's just like these allegations that have been made that my right-hand man was poisoned. I don't know that.
Your uncle is dead.